As we stand at the threshold of a new year, much like an uncharted journey, it becomes imperative to reflect on ancient wisdom that transcends time. The Stoics, renowned for their profound insights, offer practical lessons that resonate with the challenges of today. In the quiet of a late evening, let's delve into 12 Stoic-inspired habits that can shape the transition from one year to the next. 1. Start small. George Washington's wisdom echoes the Stoic principle that grand transformations arise from small, deliberate steps. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, emphasized the significance of well-being realized through incremental progress. Consider it akin to planting seeds, where each small action contributes to a grand picture. 2. Stop letting anxiety rule over you. James Clear's notion of atomic habits aligns with Stoic philosophy, emphasizing the foundational nature of small habits. Stoicism teaches not only doing small things, but also thinking small, avoiding grand promises. By focusing on the immediate and achievable, one can string together small victories leading to significant transformations. 3. Create a routine. Seneca's insight into life without a design being erratic highlights the power of a well-structured routine. Craft a daily plan tailored to your natural rhythm, dedicating prime hours to crucial tasks. Balance work with habits that nourish the mind, body, and soul. Consistency becomes the glue holding this routine together, fostering a foundation for positive habits to flourish. 4. Give yourself the order to stop. Dwight D. Eisenhower's personal victory over a smoking habit exemplifies a Stoic principle. No one is free who is not master of oneself. This lesson urges us to identify and decisively act on habits that hinder personal growth. Giving oneself the order to stop is not just breaking a habit, it's reclaiming freedom and asserting control over impulses. 5. Free up precious resources. Epictetus' wisdom on improvement includes being willing to appear clueless about some things. Stoicism guides us to focus on what's essential, advocating for mindfulness to recognize and limit non-essential activities. By reclaiming time from trivialities, one can channel energy into pursuits that contribute meaningfully to life. 6. Do something difficult. Seneca's plunge into the Tiber River at the start of each new year illustrates the empowerment derived from doing something difficult. Embrace discomfort, step out of the comfort zone, and challenge yourself. It's in these moments that genuine growth occurs, affirming your inner strength and resilience. 7. Associate with people who make you better. Seneca's counsel to associate with those who make a better person emphasizes the influence of companionship. Choose relationships that challenge and support personal growth. Build a circle that cultivates an environment conducive to flourishing. 8. Stop fearing change. Marcus Aurelius recognized life's rhythm as a constant ebb and flow of transformation. Fearing change closes us off to opportunities. Embrace change not as a threat but as an exciting part of life, fostering growth, learning, and new experiences. 9. Say no to the inessential. Marcus Aurelius's acknowledgement of the non-essential highlights the power of discernment. Saying no to the inessential is a superpower, freeing up time and amplifying focus on what truly matters. Evaluate commitments, set boundaries, and make selective yes count toward meaningful pursuits. 10. Come back to rhythm. Marcus Aurelius's reflection on the inevitability of faltering emphasizes the beauty in recognizing our humanity. View setbacks as integral to the journey, cultivating a mindset of resilience and forgiveness. Each return to the path reinforces the habit of persistence, celebrating progress over perfection. Conclusion. As we step into the canvas of a new year, Stoic practices are not just concepts, but daily actions shaping our lives. The journey toward self-discipline, resilience, and serenity involves living Stoicism each day. Every action becomes a brushstroke painting the portrait of our lives, offering a continual exploration of growth and shared experiences. Thank you for being part of this transformative journey. Let 2024 be a year of continual growth, shaping not only our lives but inspiring those around us. More Stoic wisdom. Embracing our humanity includes accepting imperfections. Marcus Aurelius's wisdom on the universality of change reminds us that our thoughts shape our life. Ride the waves of change skillfully, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. In a world of choices, the art of saying no becomes a superpower, amplifying focus on what truly matters. As we navigate change, setbacks, and choices, Let's carry the essence of Stoic practices into 2024, making each day a step towards a richer, more meaningful life. The journey continues, fueled by your feedback and shared experiences. Let's explore the path of continual growth together.